We're going to take the derivative with respect to x of the tangent of the quotient x over y equals x plus y. So we'll take the derivative on both sides, and since we have vegetable soup here, the variables are all intermixed, we will use implicit differentiation. So starting on the left side, the derivative of tan is secant squared of the argument x over y, and now we hit it with the chain rule, the derivative of x over y using the quotient rule. And remember, we're doing implicit here, so whenever you have y and you take the derivative, you have to hit it with the y prime. On the right side is just a derivative of x plus a derivative of y. Okay, now what we want to do is get rid of the fractions in this expression. There's only one denominator here. It's that y squared under the quotient rule. So we're going to multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which in this case is just y squared. And that would give us secant squared x over y times y minus xy prime equals y squared plus y squared times y prime, because I simplified the right side when I multiplied both sides by the LCD. Now we're distributing multiplication across the bracket and just bring down the right side. Okay, we want to gather all terms that contain y prime. Gather them together on the left side. We're trying to solve for y prime. Okay, so that gives us y squared times y prime plus y prime times x times secant squared of x over y equals the other side. The other side is everything that does not contain y prime. And now we're going to factor the y prime out of the terms on the left side. That's why we brought them all together. That's y prime times y squared plus x secant squared xy. And on the other side, we just bring that stuff down. Okay, now we're going to get y prime alone by dividing both sides by the coefficient that's multiplying y prime. It's the stuff in the bracket. We get y prime equals y secant squared x over y minus y squared over the coefficient y squared plus x secant squared x over y. Not that hard. We've done a couple of those.